Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you're enjoying your online sessions. We are covering a topic forces and movement. In the previous lesson, we learned about how big or small a force can be. Today, we are going to do a small activity that is on your learner's book page number 63. As you all know that our life is full of forces. We cannot see these forces, but we can see how they affect different things. Forces can change the shape of something, it can change the speed or change the direction of any moving object. In previous lesson, we have learned about the size of forces. Today we are going to investigate about the amount of forces being applied on different objects. We have already learned that small or tiny forces are holding a pencil, lifting a paper, or picking up leaves. These are tiny or small forces. And big forces can be pushing a dining table, lifting a gallon of water, a bulldozer lifting heavy objects, or holding big objects. And if you're trying to hold a rock, it will be a big force. To investigate the amount of force, we will need a balloon and few objects like your school bag, an empty shoebox, filled water bottle, pencil and a tissue box. You can use other objects of your choice as well, but be careful, do not try to move heavy objects that may risk injury. Here's a point to remember that this will not be a precise measure. You could use the words like tiny push, gentle push, big push or medium push. We are using a balloon here. Why? Because it is an elastic and it can indicate the size of a push. When we poke the balloon with finger, it pushes, it's squashed and then go back to its original shape. I will demonstrate you how to do. You can see here I am pushing a wall. Can you see any push? No, because wall is not moving. Now I am using a balloon to push a wall. Wall will not move, but you can see the amount of force I am applying with the help of balloon. Balloon is squashing a bit by my force. You can see I am applying force on a balloon and it is squashing. Balloon is squashing and it going back to its original shape. I am trying to push a bag with the balloon. You can look, it's a medium force that it is being squashed a bit. Now I am pushing a small tissue box. It is tiny force, no effort required. I am pushing a water bottle. It is also a tiny push because it doesn't require a big push. It's just pushing easily. With the demonstration, hope you have understood the concept of big and small push. It's an assignment for you. You can choose any 5 objects to push against with a balloon. You will push them until they move. The bigger the force you need to move the object, the more squashed the balloon will be. Record your results in your notebook and you will write whether you have used a small force, medium force or a big force. Thank you. See you tomorrow.